Happy Sunday and welcome to another day in my life, 2021, episode 10 for our snow day end. As you know, the weekend consists of Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but for me it's just Saturday and Sunday, and Sunday is for the grandparent. Except when there's a snowstorm going on, so this week is a little bit different for us. We didn't visit the grandparent today, instead we played all day in the snow. Firstly, the snow is nice and fat and fluffy and it's super pretty, so the girls will really love the interaction of it, and for us, we want the girls to experience everything. Growing up, my parent always kept me away from the snow. They think I'm gonna get sick, and for me, I'm more like, well, getting sick also builds your immune system. On the real, when you become parent, you have your own concept of how your parent taught you and what you like or dislike about it. And if you dislike a certain point of view, then you can try your own point of view on your own children. I love the way my parent raised me, don't get me wrong. However, I feel like there's always a way to better it. For example, if we want children who are outspoken, who have good reasoning or debating skill, then we should allow them to speak their mind, not in a rude way, but instead of teaching my children to raise their voice and crying, kicking, screaming, I instead always encourage them to use reason. Why do you think you're correct? So this is honestly how Chris and I raise our children, because we live in a household where our parent raised us in the way that their parent raised us, and we weren't able to have our own voice or to say what we want to say. What I dislike about my culture is the hierarchy, and if you are older, therefore you must know more. No offense, but age to me is nothing but a number, and no one is always correct. We have a voice, so when we speak out what we think, if it's wrong, we can learn from our mistake. If we do not say what we think, how will we ever be able to know if what we think is wrong? I'm open to learning and I'm open to debating. Hence, to me, if a parent cannot out-debate a child's thought or answer their question and resort to I'm the parent so you must listen to me, you fail as a parent, because right is right and wrong is wrong. A doctor cannot solve a plumber's problem, and you don't tell a nail tech to do brain surgery. In life, intelligence isn't measured by our degree, but our ability to adapt and to our openness to learn. If you're willing to learn and are open-minded, that is a true sign of intelligence. Hence, why I allow my children to question me and persuade me with their reasoning on why they think they are correct, instead of suppressing them with my hierarchy of being mom.
Không ăn hết ở trong nhà một mình.
And when you're in the wrong, you must accept your punishment with grace. That is how I was raised, and that is how my children will be raised. Maybe you think I'm such a tiger mom or I'm so tough. But it's precisely because what you do is fair. This is how you earn the respect of your peer, your family, and your children.
Just to get a new safe environment.
She doesn't get to go outside.
Why, Mommy? Let's go to
Yes, let's go to the playground.
Mama, Baba, Papa,
Are you cold? Will you stop?
Now,
Watch your head cake. Lên đầu.
Good job.
Come on. Hold the rope. Okay, hold the rope.
So today, Cara learned a valuable lesson. If you do not finish your food, you will stay inside and Kate get to go outside because she finished her food. In life, there is reward and punishment, and kicking and screaming will not let you have your way.
Alright, watch your head. Quay lên đầu. Who's watching Kyle?
She's sitting inside being punished. I don't care. I already locked everything up.
Okay. That's the sound of the geese. The geese. Okay. I know. Steering wheel. Quay lưng. Okay, không có lạnh không? Are you cold?
No.
Okay. Okay, quay người lại. Đánh vào. Đánh vào. Đúng rồi. Không, đánh đâu. Quay. Đó, đúng rồi. Đánh vào. I got on the green one, see?
The greatest thing parents can give their child is knowledge. For the real reason why we are here is to prepare them for a life without us.
Hey, smile! Smile, Cᴏ.ɩlᴛ!
When the girls was learning how to walk, I held their hand. I watched them try and fail, try and fail, and try again. They call for me for comfort and encouragement, but it is their own feet and balance that help them in the end. It is their sheer determination that allowed them to run the way they could today. Same thing with life. At first, I teach them the basic of walking. I held their hand as they practiced, and they wanted me to let go. I let go. I watched them tumble, and though it hurt watching them fall, I allowed them to understand the pain, because pain is a great teacher. And then, they succeeded. I celebrated.
Okay. Okay. Để mama chụp, ok? Để mama chụp. Go đâu? Okay. There you go. Okay, you can do it. Again, một lần nữa nha, xong đi ngủ.
Yep, we gotta go inside and sit after this.
Không biết à, còn vậy.
That's okay.
The setback in your life will be a favorite victory, for what you conquer wasn't the problem, but actually yourselves. Every time we refuse to give up, we gain more determination in our goals and belief. For every adversity that came our way, we became stronger because the only way to lift heavier weight is to add more weight and push ourselves to the limit each day until the limit is no longer the limit. This slide was once too big for Kate, but now it's too small. Now she loves it. There's no more fear.
Good job. Okay. Okay. Come on, vô nhà không bị
Go inside. It's cold. We come out later.
Cool.
Then the girl went to bed for 3 hours, and this time I got more work done, more video edited, and that's pretty much my day. I think most people think that I live such an exciting life, but really I'm just like everybody else. If I have downtime, I just kind of want to cuddle with my husband. And after the girls woke up, my husband watched the girls, I cook, and unfortunately I don't always have clip when I'm doing something with my family because I was too busy living in the moment that I forgot to capture those moments for you guys. And I really do hope you enjoyed my video. I hope it brought you a lot of smile and happiness. I hope it brought you another point of view. But that evening, the girls ate well and they were tired early, so my husband booked a last-minute reservation at Luvableviet. Just a treat, just because. I love the restaurant and I actually came in for the native lobster, but I think I'll have that next time. Instead, we're going to do their tasting menu. But that's pretty much the end of my video. Thank you so much for being here. It's always a treat to have you watching the video and comment down below. And for today's present, I'm going to introduce you the Glam Can by Juno & Co. company. See you in episode 11.